Okay, this is an Illinois lock company, 8-wafer, double-sided wafer lock. They use these on city bus cash counters in my town.
I can't get married, I'm only 10.
And I have dreams.
Because this is a double-sided 8-wafer lock,
Dairy Queen aptitude test.
you have to
780 brazier.
attack them one side at a time, alternating from top to bottom. And as you feel the wafers set, you have to
I wished I had a tail where to swap away flies.
mess with the tension a little.
All right, sir. I'll marry your daughter. We're gonna have
And then, of course,
wedding in the county.
once you can do it half a dozen times easily in under 2 minutes, there we go.
I figured someday Mary would marry. That's why we called her Mary.
Then you try and do it in front of the camera and you won't be able to do it at all.
Ain't that right, Damn
At any rate, there we go. There it is. Picked. That's 8 wafers. See how long it is? There's 4 wafers at the top, 4 wafers at the bottom. There it is. Eight wafers from the Illinois Lock Company. Here's the crazy bitting. You can see one side is very high cuts and the other side is all the very deep cuts. So, as always, peace, don't break the law, and have a lot of fun, and get your picket tools at U.K. Lockpickers.